an officer. You're a Nazi. If you want a war, I'm gonna give you a war. I knew it.
Give me out! Give me out!
On January 24, 2023, at around 9:30 p.m., officers from the White Bear Lake Police Department responded to a call on Karth Road in White Bear Lake, Minnesota. This is the moment everything shifted. One man inside a dim apartment, one decision to door, and a situation spiraled out of control.
Hi, sorry to bug ya. Hey, can I talk to Dan just real quick?
Yeah.
Okay. I just have a quick question for him about an old case that we just need to clear up real quick.
What's wrong? Is something wrong?
No, nothing's wrong, hon. Yeah, I know you too. Yeah, long time no talk. Yeah.
Hey, Danny, you want to hold the door for a minute? Sure, come in for a second?
Yeah, sure, bro.
Yeah, he's at the door.
Just tell him it's Officer Chic. Maybe he'll remember.
He said it's Officer Chic. He wants to talk to you for a minute. He didn't say
Confirmed.
he did anything. He said he didn't do anything wrong.
Okay.
From the first words out of Daniel's mouth, something was off. This is war. He wasn't just resisting arrest, he was preparing for something darker.
We have a history, so I just wanted to come here myself and just advise him of it, so, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So, yeah, before he gets picked up by somebody else, so.
I didn't know.
Yeah.
Sure what?
I'm not sure what, Connor, do you even know what it was for?
It was for domestic.
Or something?
Yeah, I'm not sure exactly what it's for, so. Dan?
You want me to tell him that, or?
Yeah, can I just talk to him from here?
He's not gonna want you to just talk to him like that.
Hey, Dan.
You have a warrant. That's why they're here.
Hey, Dan, it's Officer Chic. All right, well, you have a warrant and you got to take care of it. So as of right now, you're under arrest. Okay, well, come on out.
He's not doing anything wrong right now either. He's doing really good.
Well, that's why I'm here. Like, I understand his history, and I just want to. Okay, well, Dan, you have a felony warrant.
Felony warning for what? You didn't even have to answer the door. You didn't answer the door because you illegally entered my house.
I didn't illegally enter your house.
Stop screaming, Danny. He has nothing. He has nothing.
Yep,
Just a
9171.
He's just pissed. Danny!
We'll take 7-0 here. We got an uncooperative male refusing to answer.
Let me go grab it.
Sounds good.
Okay. Danny!
What?
Just be cooperative because they're inside. They're going to arrest you.
You didn't have
All right, shut up.
Pepperball.
I understand.
Daniel's voice cracks not with fear, but fury. A desperate scream from someone feeling cornered, hunted, betrayed.
Well, I am because I'm just here trying to talk to you and try to work through this with you.
No, you're trying to put handcuffs on me and all that. You're a pedophile.
What's he talking about?
You're a pedophile. You take people down to jail, strip them naked. That's why you me when I was a juvenile.
Dan, I'm not here to try to.
Did somebody say something like that before or something? Why would you say that? Now I'm worried.
You know you're not supposed to be in this house. If she didn't answer this door, you would have to leave. It's a bench warrant, not an active warrant. You took time out of your day to attack me personally.
Negative. Does he have pepper?
He doesn't have anything on him. He doesn't have anything on him.
Yeah.
And he's not
I don't.
like that. He's yelling, that's a defense. That's all. Danny, come on.
No, he's in the house illegally.
They're going to arrest you either way. They're not leaving. There's not one of them here. There's many. Come on.
You came in here illegally.
Fine, Danny. But why not just make it easy? Go down and I'll bail you out tomorrow. Whatever you need to do. We'll work through it.
You did all this illegally.
Why did you guys come like that? If that's the
What's that?
Why would you guys come like that?
Like what?
How do you know that she's a vulnerable adult schizophrenic and you took advantage of the fact that you knew she let you in the house?
I'm sorry. What was your question?
You had to open the door and you could have done nothing. You would have had to walk
Why
away.
would you guys come up here if it's a bench warrant? And
Well, because he has a warrant.
Instead of just let me know
It's
when
a
I'm not
bench
going to go.
warrant.
Well, he has a warrant, so he has to go to jail. to take care of it because it wasn't taken care of.
It's a felony level warrant,
It's
so.
a felony level 1 warrant. I mean, he has to go to jail. It just is what it is. He has to take care of it.
Yeah, but that's what, tell the truth. If she didn't open the door, you would have left because it's not an active warrant.
It is an active warrant.
Well, it is active because it's current and it's live
It's
now.
not like you enter people's houses illegally, you wouldn't have been able to kick down the door and let it leave, right?
That's correct.
Yep, I've been enjoying my night. Now you're in the house illegally because you took advantage of my biological mother. Congratulations, thank you for admitting what I already said.
Well, I'm not here illegally, to be clear.
Yeah, we didn't have to let you in.
Right. But we're here, and you're here, so we can't just walk away.
Hey, that's your problem. I understand. Tonight's a good night. How about you?
Well, I would like it to just continue to be a nice, calm night.
You got your Bodycam on?
Of course I do.
Good, I'm smiling. Let's get it.
Okay.
Why are you
Yeah.
standing like this, Danny?
Yeah.
Then the shift. You're a Nazi. I'm ready to die. This isn't a standoff anymore. It's a man unraveling on camera.
Ultimate entry.
Well, it's too late now.
Illegally, tell them to leave.
All right, well, it's too late now. So what are we gonna do?
It is not too late. Tell them to leave the house. They leave. They entered the house illegally. Tell them to leave.
They're not gonna leave.
Why aren't you going to leave?
Sorry if you haven't.
Because you have an active felony warrant. We have to take care of it.
No, you didn't have to do anything. You purposely took time out of your day to come here today.
We do have to take care of it.
No. You don't, because like I said, you wouldn't have been able to get in if we didn't answer the door. It's not an active warrant how you're saying it is.
Radio battery, yeah.
It is, unfortunately, an active warrant. It pops
Listen,
up.
it's not the same. Stop lying. I just told you, if you didn't answer the door, you leave tonight, and I continue watching my movie. I was watching Infinite. It was a good night. I'm drinking my
Anybody pop the door?
Yeah, I popped it.
I'm gonna need you guys to let me know if something comes on the radio and my
I
battery's
opened the
dying.
door to ask
You have to
them.
open the door. You could have told him why.
Okay.
He's a pig. He doesn't have a choice. He's an animal. He doesn't get to make decisions.
Either way around, they're here. They're in. They're not gonna leave.
Then they don't leave.
So what are we gonna do? Danny, open the door.
Not opening.
I didn't hear anything.
There's 7 of them in here. Come on. All right, I don't want this to happen. What do you
Well, if they're gonna bring a
Go
dog, they should
down,
probably
get
bring another deputy.
bailed out.
But Sarge handled it.
Why? He broke the law. He just told you. Vicky, if you didn't answer the door, it would have been good.
Dan, if I would have forced my way in not knowing you were here, that would have been breaking the law.
Yeah, but since
Okay.
you took advantage of my schizophrenic mother, now you're
Okay,
in the house.
I did not take advantage of your mom, Dan. I never have.
Stop screaming. Danny, stop screaming. Stop screaming. What are you doing?
By the way, you're on Facebook Live. We're going to have a good time tonight, officer.
And yet through it all the officers hold their line. No shouting, no threats, just control.
I'm not going anywhere, and I'm prepared to die.
Okay.
He was doing so good.
Somebody wanna? Since we got 4 here, somebody wanna go grab a shield?
I wish I would have known about this because he's doing. Danny, stop it.
We're done having it here.
No, you stay there.
No, Mom. I don't want
I'm
you
going in.
to.
I'll bring my son out.
Okay. No. You're not going in. Come on,
Yeah,
Mom.
yeah.
We don't want
Yeah,
you to
yeah.
hurt him. Come on, don't. I don't need you getting hurt.
I'm not going to get hurt. He would never hurt me.
I'm not going to allow you to go in there.
He's not going to hurt me. It's my
I'm
son.
going there. You broke the law. Look at you, you tall.
It's me you're looking at, Daniel.
No, they're looking at you. They're sitting here. They broke the law to get in. They're smiling. He's ready. I'm ready. We're all ready. No more talk.
Please don't use things on him. Like guilt and stuff. On my son, please.
We're not
No,
gonna try.
Danny, come on.
Vicky, tell him to slow down. Tell him they wanted to kill
Vicky,
me.
we need you to step out
No,
of the
come
way,
on,
please.
let's go.
Vicky.
Let him arrest you and I'll come bail you
Why
out.
would the pedophile
Vicky.
arrest me?
Because there's not one here, there's 7.
It's fine.
Okay.
More bullets for
I'm no
everybody.
longer asking you. No disrespect. I'm telling you. You have
Come
to
on,
be
Danny.
serious.
No. Now they're trying to boss you in your own house. Come on.
No, that's me, you dummy.
No, stay out of the door. I want to talk. We're talking.
I need
We're having a good time.
No.
We're past
There's no
each
reason
other.
to force entry. No.
Why are you acting like that? You're gonna make bigger problems.
Vicky, just relax.
You relax.
He told me tonight he took time out. We're ready to go.
I don't want to see kill me or hurt you. Okay, come on. Alright? And I also don't want to have action where I live. Let's go.
We're going to have some action today. I'm
Why?
excited.
Why?
I've been waiting for this lover and this
Danny.
pedophile.
Danny,
Vicky,
stop.
Vicky, you're not
Stop,
going to be able to.
stop
do that.
trying to
I'm going to need you to
open the
become away. Please don't make me force you out of law.
No, he isn't gonna hurt me.
Okay.
No,
Yeah,
I'm
but
not
I don't
hurt
want
you,
him.
but you let the
I want you to
let
get
the
caught in the middle.
pedophiles in the door.
Please. Please leave over here.
Please don't hurt my son like that.
Well, hey, we'll try not to.
No, I'm serious.
Just watch the threshold.
Hey,
Here, sorry, I don't mean to
question.
throw rounds for the
He has nothing.
Hey, I got a question.
Yeah,
Are you guys ready?
I'm ready to end this calmly.
I'm ready too.
Okay, well, come on out then.
No, why would I come
Okay. Are you going to allow me to come in there and we can talk?
out? No, we're talking right now. What are you gonna say to me? That you gained the house illegally?
I did not gain the house, gain access to the house.
No, if you think that pepper gun's gonna help you, officer,
Dan, stop. No.
Now I'm
not going back.
no, yes, I am.
No, you're not.
You're not hurting my son.
You're not going in there.
Or
you're ready to kill me and I'm ready to die.
Danny, stop!
Okay. Pon, can you stand with Mom?
I'm coming in. No.
This is not an option. You need to leave the apartment.
No.
We need to go out of the apartment.
I don't want my son to get hurt. This isn't fair.
We're not going to
Open the door, Nikki.
Okay, I need you to go. I don't want
Danny,
to.
they came in
Come on.
either way. I didn't ask them to.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, my husband is here. I'm going to my
We're going
bedroom.
right there.
Please,
Nope.
I'm not
Nope.
even dressed.
Just right outside the
Can
door.
I go in my bedroom
No,
and at
absolutely
least
not.
can get my jacket? I don't have a
No.
bra on even.
get a jacket.
Please.
I can hear him. I can hear him banging stuff around in there. I don't know what it is. I can hear him banging stuff around in there. There's weapons with something, whatever it is.
You wanna give me a minute?
Dan, what are you doing in there?
What's it going to take for you to come out? What's it going to take for you to come out?
You took advantage of my schizophrenic mother.
Just heads up, guys. I don't need rounds over that door, you guys.
I get it. Okay, you have lethal? You got taser? You got taser or lethal? You got lethal.
Please don't hurt me, you guys.
Danny, come out.
Hey, I'm going to defend myself. Are you ready for this action?
He's defending himself. No, please don't hurt my son.
I am defending myself. Any aggression is a
She needs to leave the apartment. Get out of here.
Now, get out, Vicky.
with everything I have.
9171 felony consideration. I'm down. I'm hit bad. I'm hit bad. Get me out. Get me out.
Until the moment everything breaks. Gunfire. Officer Sheik goes down. Dragged by his team, bleeding and groaning Sheik is pulled out under fire.
I need the door open. I need the door open. Get out. Get out. Get her out of here. Get out. Get out. Where's it at? Where you at? Where you at?
917 to get rescue. I got an officer down.
Get in with him.
Stay there. Stay there. Back up. Get a tourniquet on him. Get first aid. Get it going.
Connor's got it. Connor's got it.
Okay.
Okay, where am I hit? I don't know. Where am I hit? Right there. It hit your vest. Let's get you up and out of here. Let's go. Oh, I got something else. Sorry, Pon.
You're fine.
My brain's here. Yeah, you have brains to grab.
Dan, you need to come out. Come out.
Guys, it's shake time.
How bad are you hit? Where are you hit?
I'm hit in the
917, you were saying suspect's hit, but I can't confirm.
Okay.
Get him out of here. Get him out of here.
Let's go. Take my pants off, guys, please. Ow. Ow.
Come out with your hands up.
No. You can shoot from there. Okay.
I know.
In your apartment. In this one.
Where are you hit, Dan? Don't do this, man. It's not worth it.
it, man.
You did this.
You don't need to go to... Come on, man. It's not worth it.
You don't need to go where?
Come on with your hands up.
No, I'm good. You want this guy.
He's still a threat. He says he's hit. He's still willing to fight us. He's not in custody. He still has a weapon.
Inside, Daniel doesn't stop. Barricaded, screaming, waiting, but the SWAT team does what they were trained for.
Listen up. Save, please. Let's go, bro. Now, hustle. Okay, don't just whoa, come on, man. Just go ahead. Yep. Just relax. Take a breath. Okay. Bobby, we got it. Yes, sir. I don't know. Let us know we're self-transporting. Hold on, is this medics? Nope. That's fire. Stop, right here. Stop. Okay. Stop. Turn your lights on. Turn your lights. Let me out. Let me out.
Tear gas, pressure, and finally surrender. This wasn't just a warrant arrest. It was a mental collapse caught in real time, where untreated trauma collided with law enforcement and someone almost didn't make it out alive.